Which one are we getting? I agree. No, I like this one. We did it. Yeah, we're gonna get
We got
in
new
here.
floors. I have pulled the curtains out of the front of the RV to give them a good wash. I like to sew, so I might replace them, but I just want to see if we can get some of this like water stain stuff out of them. Just cleaning everything fabric that holds smells, I think is going to help a lot. So we're going to throw these in the wash and see how they come out. Alright, so the curtains came out of the wash really well. They're one color, they're a solid color. I literally thought maybe they were a printed fabric because it was so like water stained, but I'm gonna hang them back up because I think the sun protection is gonna keep it a lot cooler in here during the afternoons. They're really tight, I think, as I washed it. That's great.
We're back.
Alright, my friends. We have sun protection again.
Getting ready to go to Home Depot.
We have the longest list of all time. It's gonna be expensive, but we're gonna get everything we need.
First, the mini trips.
Decline the Home Depot protection plan.
Alright, people. I am so ready to see some progress happen in this RV. So I'm cracking all the windows in the back, and I'm gonna get the sander and prep these walls for paint. Tape off everything. In between those two steps, I'm gonna wipe all the dust away. I don't feel up for painting right now, but maybe in a few minutes when I've like done all of this, I'll be like, yeah, let's do it.
Wow, Mom!
I've sanded this room and you cannot tell a difference, but it's sanded. Oh, I'm so nervous. Oh my God. Let me come do what I can with the roller.
Okay.
And now I'm like, Why do you stop recording? We have important stuff going on.
Alright. Here.
Casey wants a flashlight. He's getting a camera instead. I'm helping.
Thank you. Ah,
underneath it. Can you get your ass down there?
Yeah, I can. Can you dip me and put like a me-size dip of paint, not a you-size? No, too much.
Okay, wait, look everybody. This is where we started, in the bedroom. It's beautiful. I have paint on my nose.
There's just little spots of the old wallpaper left. It's like, oh, who wiped their ass on their hand and smeared it on? Oh, that's just where we didn't paint. Because that's what the wallpaper looked like. Is that gross?
You said the A word.
I can say.
Here's the dinette. I feel like it's making the window look bigger somehow. Really stands out.
Okay, legit, I think we're done.
Look at the kitchen. Glamour. We painted.
We did.
We painted. The whole thing. The whole inside.
It's really sweaty, but it's hot in here.
Yeah, all the windows are open because of the paint. It's very hot. Fans on, you're not going to be able to hear
This is like, everything we've done so far has been destructive. This is the first constructive thing we've done.
Today. It's so exciting.
Can you imagine, when we get the floors down, I'm about to bust up one of these blocks of floors just so I can put it up against the wall.
No. Anyway, we painted. It's beautiful. It's amazing.
So, I think this is the source of our water leak, because when you hook a hose up to this, water drips out the backside, and if it's dripping out on the other side of the coupling on here, it may just as well be on the inside. Every screw is rusted and stripped. Definitely a lot of water damage in there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's all rotten out. That's wood. It was dripping from behind this washer.
Okay.
Right, and if it's dripping from there, it can pass right through. There's no sealant on it.
I definitely want you to get the kind with the pressure gauge if we can fit it in there.
It won't. I can tell you now, because of the size of it and looking in there, we're gonna have to get a pressure regulator that we put in between the hookup.
That's fine.
I got the parts in today, although I'm not super stoked about how plasticky it is. I thought it'd be a little more heavy duty, but just a replacement valve for it. I don't have the sealants and the butyl tape that I need to actually mount this back up, but since it's just dangling out, this is my waterproofing temporary solution. I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up, plus I got a pressure regulator.
Butyl tape?
Butyl tape?
White tape?
No, it's like gum almost. It's weird, it's hard to find. That's pretty easy. That's pretty snug. Like I said, I don't have the butyl tape or the sealant in yet to finish this up the rest of the way, so this will stay open until that comes. Come on, Amazon, you can do it. We'll install this. Water's on full throttle, which is now substantially less full throttle than it was before with the pressure regulator, but everything here is perfectly dry. Looks good. Let's go see the inside. What's Gilbert doing? Walking with his face? But from a pressure perspective, that's much more sustainable. That's just water, or air, I should say, in the lines. Cool. So that looks good. And we can just probably keep that hooked up now. That's where our water damage pre-existing is, under the paint can. Ooh, it looks good in here. At some point, probably today, these are coming out. Doors, and these are staying out. We don't want the glass up here. This is going to be Henry's spot when he's in his car seat, so we don't want glass above his head. And the rest of them are going to come out so we can take them out and paint them. Paint the cabinet bases. Maybe tonight, if not tomorrow, and by the end of this weekend, it's Friday afternoon, hopefully by the end of the weekend we've got floors in and everything, and we're almost seaworthy, except for taking it to a mechanic and also fixing this sink and probably a dozen other things I forgot. That's pretty good, Mr. Monkey.
Can you do it here?
Mm-hmm.
Sure.
a good job, Henry.
Swords can touch anything.
And cut it too.
Do you want me to put some more paint on your roller?
Yeah. No, I can get it.
Oh, don't put it in.
Ooh,
Yeah.
okay.
Well, this will be the
That's
wall
good.
that Henry painted.
I got my hand pointed out.
Okay.
Get some screws.
All right, here.
I got my clean one out.
Here's two.
Hand
You gotta get your hands closer to Dada. There you go. All right, there you go. Put them in there. All right, here you go.
Okay.
Okay. Now what's left?
5.
It's time to get after this bathroom. We've been putting it off. The rest of it's moving forward. Bathroom's not gonna get it today. Here it is. Cabinet doors are out. This carpet that runs throughout the whole coach on the ceiling was really nasty in here.
So I just wanted to see what his head was.
Yeah, take a look in here, Henry. So we ripped most of it out, especially the nasty parts, but it's awful. It's just glued up there. It leaves a lot of fiber behind. So we ripped the grossest parts out and then said, we're done, and we're gonna put beadboard right over the top of it. We're gonna prime it with waterproof primer and paint. We're gonna caulk the edges and we're gonna call it done. And I'm gonna use cardboard and cut it to fit and make a template for this so I can do my cuts outside, bring them in, glue it up, and hopefully everything goes smooth. Easier to just cut. Let's see if I can get this last bit of carpet out. I did it. So it's time to start making my template for the roof panels, and I've got a big IKEA box sitting outside. I'm just going to take some measurements, transfer them to the box, tape it all up to the roof, rough it in, and then we'll go from there.
Henry is in his painting clothes so he can help me paint all the cabinets.
Go dry fit it. One little spot I didn't account for right here, where I just needed to notch out from the corner of the shower. That's pretty good. Oh, that's a cool box, Henry. It's got lots of stuff on it. Pretty thick. How's it going? War paint on it.
Yeah, have you seen that?
Oh, so now I'm cleaning off all the old butyl tape and
Grime.
styrofoam molds that got stuck to the old
That's good.
skylight. The camera battery died, but the new ceiling is done in the bathroom.
I'm about to.
You haven't seen it yet.
I'm
You
about
gotta-
to go in. I'm going to show you guys everything that Casey did.
Wait, I gotta get a reaction.
Before we get to the bathroom, I can show you all this. I just used primer everywhere. This is all going to be white. But all this was wood. All that. All that. It was so much taping because there's just like so many little details in here. Primed in here. And Casey's going to build a new cover for this in the conduit here and under the table. But that's all the primed stuff. And then look, we can peek out the window at what Henry and I did. We primed all of the cabinets except I think Casey found one more in the bathroom that we forgot. So let's see what he did. I need to paint this door now. Oh my god, it's beautiful, you guys. Wow, it looks so good. And he had to do this little trim piece because it's 2 pieces, which is perfect for the way it all fits together. And then, oh my god, just like putting this back on makes it look so legit. That's awesome. I can't believe it. This is such an awesome, like, very difficult thing to do. I was so intimidated. This thing won't come out, like the screws are stripped, so I was like, how are you gonna get something on the ceiling over, like, under that? He did it, you guys. He's amazing. He's so skilled. Okay, look at how gross we are. We're covered in paint and grime and stuff, and yeah, it's just so gross. We're spray painting all the hardware black, which I haven't done yet, but that is to be done. We've been ignoring the bathroom. We've been like doing everything, and then we'll be like, oh yeah, there's a bathroom in there, which is awesome. Like coming in here and remembering like we have a freaking shower wherever we go in the world. We have a shower. It's so cool. The travel, it's just gonna be so exciting. Anyway, I guess I better get back to work before we can even think about any of that stuff.
The inside skylight is back in, and now we just need to caulk all around the edges. Actually, the original caulk is still under there, but we're still going to keep moisture from getting behind this wood. How goes it in here?
How's it look?
Looks really good.
Doesn't it?
Looks really, really good.
Isn't it like
final
shiny?
coat. Mm-hmm.
You guys, it's so late, but we got everything painted. And it's very dark now, so I can't really show you. And more work tomorrow. It is time to do some more work. The sun is shining. We get to see how my painting in the dark came out. Henry's getting in. Ooh, I forgot that we even like did the gray paint last night. It was so delirious. It looks great. Very not good. These look good. These just need another coat. Dusk. Oh, the tree peed. Dang it. Not done. Okay, I'm gonna try to salvage the white by just like, ooh, ow, ooh, stub my toe. Ow, ow, ow. By washing off whatever that tree pee is. And we'll have to repaint the gray. But if the white's good, I can paint the hardware and hang it back up. Hooray, hooray, hooray. I'm just so ready to see something done. It's gonna be good. I'm ready to also like travel and take the damn thing to Mexico or some because I'm so sick of quarantine life.